Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today is the finale, our 4-week collaboration finale of a Christmas holiday mix with my beautiful sister, Bree of Bree's Project Book. She has asked Juani of Juani's House, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and myself to join her as co-hostesses, and along with us we have our beautiful sisters, the Dream Team, co-hosting as well. This week we are to deck the halls. We are to decorate a room for the Christmas season, but there was an exception. It couldn't be a living room or a dining room space. So I'm going to share with you my space decked out for the Christmas season, and it is my master bedroom. So stay tuned. And here is my master bedroom Christmas tour. I will take you in for a closer look at everything. I'm going to start at my nightstand. The thing that remains on my nightstand is this teal Z Gallery box. I have a set of 2. One is on my nightstand and one is on my hubby's nightstand, and we place everything in these boxes that we need, and it keeps our nightstands from being cluttered. So they always remain on our nightstands. But as you can see here, I have this beautiful candle holder from Burlington. The lamp remained, and I'm thinking about changing those next year. We'll see. I do love them, but we'll see. I have a pick here with the teals and golds. And what I love, bling. Again, I'm keeping it simple. That's enough, more than enough on this nightstand. Moving over to my bed, nothing really has changed. I changed back to this bedding here. I've had this bedding for 3 years now. Nothing is wrong with it. And I love it. My hubby loves it. So it is a keeper. I may change up next year. We'll see. But I love the teal color in this space. And I don't buy too many comforters because they are very hard. They take up a lot of space, you know, to store them. And those pillows I put on my bed for fall, and I will continue to use those as well. They're actually pillow covers that I picked up from Amazon. And I put this Baby It's Cold Outside pillow on my bed because yes, here in Florida it's raining and it is cold. So this pillow is so true today. I received that pillow from Christy C. And for decorative purposes, I love to put a tray on my bed filled with all kind of goodies or prettiness. I have this Santa and this glass. It's actually a candle, not a candle. It is actually a candy container. Both of these pieces I've had for many, many years, and I will never part with them. And I have candle holders, I have ornaments on them, and these beautiful flowers that I keep out pretty much year round from Hobby Lobby. But just a beautiful tray to place on the bed. This is also another keeper, and that is this beautiful teal throw that I found at Home Goods a couple of years ago. I think it is just beautiful, and I love the little mink puffs on the end. I would love to find one in red like this. But yes, that's my bed. So I'm going to take you to the other side to let you see what's on my hubby's nightstand, and we'll go from there. And here's my hubby's nightstand. Have the same pick with the same ornaments. There's the Z Gallery box. I put a Santa here that I found thrifting for $5. I thought this Santa was very pretty, very unique. And here's the view of my bed from standing in front of the bed. As you can see, I have a love seat in front, and I've placed these fur pillows that I've had. These are actually pillow covers too that I found at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. Really dirt cheap, guys. I couldn't believe it. I think they were under $4 a piece for them. So I just placed them on this love seat, and I have this table here that I have a tray on with some ornaments and this candle, which is a Bath and Body Works candle. It smells so good, and it's not even lit. Sweater weather. I have that on my table next to the love seat. Now on my dresser, I'm loving this vignette. It is beautiful to me. So I will take you in for a closer look. I'm going to start at the right of this vignette. I have these beautiful gold candles that I picked up 90% off last year at Hobby Lobby. They are sitting on these beautiful candle holders that I picked up thrifting at my Habitat for Humanities. I'm claiming it is in Daytona. And I ride up there probably once a month just to see what they have. I picked both of these up for $4. I had to think about that for a minute. And this beautiful jar I've had for months, but this is my first time placing this out. It kind of reminds me of an ornament, the round shape, but it is beautiful. I picked this up from Ross. I think it was about $7, guys. Very cheap, but it is so pretty. And I have everything sitting on a round tray, marble tray, golden white tray that I picked up from Target several months ago. Something I already had. Have an ornament sitting there. Have several ornaments on this vignette. I have this gold plate sitting behind this Santa Claus. This Santa Claus was also gifted to me a couple of years ago from Christy, and I love him and I enjoy putting him out every year. Now below him I just have some picks and ornaments. I love to decorate with picks and ornaments. Teal and gold. Those present ornaments, I picked up a bunch of them at Walmart. I wish they would get more in, but they didn't. I got them in teal and brown, and I wished I would have picked them up in red when I saw them. And then this Noel sign here, I recently picked up from Hobby Lobby. It is beautiful. And if you've seen my home tour, you saw the one I had in my living room that says Joy. Very heavy piece and very inexpensive, especially if you get it 40% off, and now things are 66% off in Hobby Lobby. But I didn't want to take the chance of not getting it, so I got it when I saw it. And that's my vignette on my dresser. Now let me share with you my fireplace. This is the view that I have from my bed, and it is so pretty. Hubby walked in here and he was like, wow, this is beautiful. Now I just recently picked up these large sconces. I picked up 2 of them from Hobby Lobby. They're very large, they're very pretty. I placed a flameless candle in them both, and I can operate that by remote. And as you can see, this looks lush with the teals and the golds and a little silver peeking in there with that teal and gold ribbon running all down this garland. This flock garland I cut in half, okay? I cut 1 piece of flock garland from Walmart in half and placed it on both of these sconces. They are so pretty, and I know I'm going to hate to take this off after Christmas is over. And this is my fireplace garland. I made a swoop instead of placing it running on the top, so I will be able, and hubby will be able to operate the cable box and different things that we have here. But I'm loving this gold and teal, loving it. Down below, I just placed my gold reindeer with the fur around the neck. Now hubby did this. He placed these trees, teal trees, down below with the blessed sign. I got to add him in, and he's a good one. He knows how to decorate. So that's his contribution to the fireplace. Of course, you see my teal chairs, and I've placed a teal and gold pillow in both of them. And before I move to the other one, you see this fur container that I picked up several years ago from Michael's, and I placed a blanket in it. Here's the other chair. And behind the chair, I've placed a tree in my bedroom. Now this is the flock tree from Walmart as well. It is 6 feet tall. And what I've done, I've taken a, I call it a topiary pot, but a pot from the garden area. This is something I already had. And to elevate it, I placed the tree in this pot. So it makes it a little bit taller than 6 feet. Now, hubby also did the topper, guys. But to see this at night, the lights at night, it is just simply gorgeous. So I hope you have enjoyed a Christmas holiday mix with Bree. For the past 4 weeks, we have shared our favorite Christmas decor and entertaining pieces, a Christmas look for less. We also gave you tips on how to entertain your guests for the holidays. And the finale, we are to deck the halls. I would like to thank my beautiful sister, the beautiful and fabulous Bree of Bree's Project Book, for hosting this amazing collaboration. Bree, I had so much fun participating in this, and I gained so many tips and tricks throughout this collaboration, and I hope you take a look at all of the videos that we have put together. I will have a playlist of all of them in my description box down below, as well as the channel links to all of our amazing dream team. Please go over and show them some love. Tell them I sent you. You will love these beautiful ladies. They have so much to offer, and again, it is some amazing, amazing talent right there in our dream team. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe, ring that notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, you know how I feel about you all. I am so blessed to have you as a part of the Diva family, and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those links will be found in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a blessed 2020, a blessed new year. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.